how to sell on TikTok without products. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you how you will be able to start up your TikTok shop and start selling without having any products on hand or any products in your warehouse, or rather, you don't have any warehouse at all. Now, this type of business is called dropshipping. Dropshipping is a type of business model where you're basically selling products that you don't actually have on hand. You're going to set up a store and everything, and some other platforms or some other company will be the one who's going to handle the delivery and inventory. And there's a lot of platforms out there right now that you will be able to use to connect with your TikTok shop. And one of those platforms is called CJ Dropshipping over here. CJ Dropshipping is a really great platform and it has a lot of capabilities. It has the ability to connect to multiple platforms, as you can see here on their list, and they have all kinds of products with really cheap prices, which is also really great. Having cheap prices is very important because you will be able to have a lot of opportunity to earn a lot of money through them without spending too much. So over here, this is what it would look like if you haven't logged into your account yet. So what you're going to do is you're going to log into your account, or rather create an account. Now this is what it would look like after you log into your CJ Dropshipping account. Now let's give you a quick tour for a bit. Over here, it's going to look like a normal e-commerce platform where you could buy different products, look through different products, navigate through different products. As you can see, it looks like a normal store. But the thing is, this platform is built for dropshipping. If you look over here on the left side, you will see different tools or features rather. You have your cart, you have your products, you have your orders, and then you have extra features over here. There's also print on demands and other services. And over here, this is where you will be able to connect your stores. Now, let's first try to connect our store with TikTok Shop Seller, or rather, I'm going to show you the different requirements or what you need to do. Over here, as you can see, we have a wide range of products that you could connect to. So if ever along down the road, if you want to expand your market, try to sell on other platforms as well, you could use the other platforms listed over here for easier integration rather. So since if you are going to use CJ Dropshipping in the long run, you would be more efficient with it and you will be able to easily use it, and it wouldn't matter which platform you're using. But anyway, as you can notice over here, we have TikTok Shop US and TikTok Shop. It's about simple that you just simply use whichever you prefer. Of course, with the limitation that TikTok Shop US is specifically for the US. So if your account has been created in the US region, you will be able to use this one. But if not, you simply use TikTok Shop over here because it is more open, or rather, you are able to connect your TikTok Shop regardless of where you have created your account. So over here, as you can see, I have yet to connect any stores. So simply click on Add Store, and it will tell us an instruction on how we will be able to do this. And the most important thing is the warehouses over here. We need to change the shipping and return warehouse in our TikTok shop because of course, we don't have the inventory, we don't have the product on hand. So we need to set up the address for those company or for the company that actually has those products, so that when someone orders, the delivery company will go to them and not to us. So there won't be any issues along down the road. So to do this modification, simply click on My Account over here on our TikTok shop. Click on Account Setting, and over here, click on Warehouse Setting. Over here, this is where we will be able to see our pickup warehouse and return warehouse. So that's basically our shipping and return warehouse over here. Pickup meaning this is where they will be getting the product from, and warehouse over here. So you can simply click on edit and then simply modify the necessary information that is displayed over here. We have your warehouse name, contact person, phone number, street address, and region over here. After completing those, simply click on OK, and we will be able to proceed to the next step, which will basically redirect us to TikTok Shop, because we need to install their apps version or CJ Drops version inside of TikTok Shop. So first, log into your account or select the account type that you have. As you can see, there's more options over here aside from the US. And let's proceed. We should be redirected to the App Store or like the page for CJ Dropshipping inside of TikTok Shop. And what you're basically just going to need to do in this section is to install the app, which is this one over here, CJ Dropshipping. For me, it's going to say this because my account has a lot of things that I need to set up first. My setup for my account is not complete, so it will have an error. So when you try to connect, ensure that every information that you have in TikTok Shop is already complete. And one of the most important thing is the warehouse that we have talked about earlier. Anyway, you can simply install it and you should be redirected to CJ Dropshipping after a while. And now let's show you how you could get products from CJ Dropshipping. It's very simple. What you're first going to do is to navigate a product that you want to sell on TikTok. For example, we have this keyboard over here, like this gadget over here. It's for iPad, as you can see. So it has tracking Bluetooth keyboard, cover over with a pen slot over here. So let's say I want to sell this on my TikTok Shop. All you need to do is to click on list over here at the bottom. By doing that, we will see a pop-up over here, which will allow us to actually modify content or information about the product that we have selected. Over here at the top, you can select which store you want to upload it to or to import it to. So in our case, it should be TikTok. So if your store will be listed here after successfully connecting your TikTok together. And then you have your product type, your title, you have your variant pricings over here. You will be able to modify those, or you could add things to that. And we have your images and videos over here. You can select which images, you can select which videos you want to be uploaded to your TikTok store. And then you have your description over here. You are also able to modify all of those things. After being satisfied with that, you can simply click on list now, which will basically list that product onto your TikTok Shop store, successfully adding a product onto your store without you actually having those products. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.